Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bunch of 3D shapes in FreeCAD. Now in Blender this would be particularly easy, but in FreeCAD it's a lot hard. Firstly, let's start with a standard square. And I'm making a center square so it centers properly and looks like a square. Next I'm going to click the square with a little sketch on top of it. That's called the pad or extrude in some softwares. And you click OK, but I want to make this a perfect square, so a little more, it looks fine. And you click OK. Now, now you can see there is a square, but I just cut it. And now let's create a sphere. Now make sure this is perfectly in line. That is not in line, so let's move it in line. Remember, you have to do on both sides because it may not be in line there. Now you gotta check the middle for alignment. Okay, I'm just doing one last check, see if they are. Okay, now I don't know why this has to be perfectly straight, but I'm doing them perfectly straight. Now we cut off the top part with a trim tool and click close. Click sphere. It won't work because I did it horizontally, so I will click, instead of vertical sketch axis, I'll click horizontal sketch axis. So I'll do that. Yeah, there. Now as you can see, there's a sphere here. It looks pretty good. And yeah, now I can select it, delete it, do whatever I want to it. Okay, moving on to the next one. Oh wait, let me just delete it. Oh, well, we added it. So now we are creating a cylinder. Let's get a centered circle. Make it as big as possible. Close it. Pad it. Make it 200 centimeters long. This is because I made it so big. I'm making it 200 centimeters long. There we have our cylinder. And okay. I think I want to decrease it a bit. Or increase it? Yeah, I'll maybe increase it. Oh, well, that didn't work out. Didn't write it properly. Okay. Okay there. Now I'm going to use the same cylinder and add a taper angle to it. So on the bottom, as you can see, I am shrinking it and it is working perfectly. Now I'm going to show you around this. Don't worry, I just shorten it a bit. There. As you can see, that's how it goes. And next we're doing a pyramid. Oh wait, we're doing a torus, not a pyramid. Now to click revolve, and it does it instantly. Wow. This is the only way currently to make a torus. I will try. Please let me know if there's other ways to make a torus, because this one it takes way too long. Okay. Now we're creating a pyramid. We're doing a centered square again. It's like the cone, but how do I say it? Taper angled. Adding an angle. Then I'm gonna make it shorter. Oh. Now make it 100. Oh, I need to taper angle it more. And there you go. That is a pyramid. And looks pretty good. Now, please let me know if there's any other faster ways to do this, because currently I know these ways. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.